Flexitallic Gasket Company was founded in 1912 when its predecessor company relocated to New Jersey from England. Flexitallic manufactured a specific type of asbestos-containing product, the spiral wound gasket, and it was the only company producing this product for the next 30 years. Asbestos tape used in the gaskets made the product a dangerous one. Ads for Flexitallic products list Canadian asbestos and blue African asbestos, or crocidolite, as two of the fiber types that were included in the manufacture of its gaskets. During World War II, Flexitallic's gaskets were used in U.S. Navy ships which needed to retain steam to operate at full power. Occupations that were at risk of exposure to asbestos from Flexitallic spiral wound gaskets were boilermakers, repairmen for steam equipment, engine room workers on ships, factory workers, and others. Some military veterans may have been exposed to asbestos from Flexitallic products as well, depending on their job and when they served. In 1970, Flexitallic was purchased by a successor to Turner Newall, a British company known as T&N. In 1997, T&N sold off Flexitallic to another gasket company. A year later, T&N was purchased by Federal Mogul. When Flexitallic was sold in 1997, T&N retained mounting asbestos liability claims, which spelled financial ruin for the company. In 1998, when Federal Mogul bought T&N, it agreed to inherit the debt attached to these claims. That's why Federal Mogul, on behalf of Flexitallic and T&N, filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy on October 1st, 2001. Federal Mogul established a subfund specifically for Flexitallic claims. The trust began accepting claims in August of 2010. In 2021, 31,095 Flexitallic claims were filed with the T&N subfund of the trust, according to its financial report. Of these claims, 13,432 were for Flexitallic, and 3,428 of those were paid in 2021. At that time, the payment percentage was 8.5%. As of now, it's 5.9%. The report also details it's paid out $44 million in total claims in 2021, contributing to the $447 million the T&N subfund has paid since it was established. We've helped thousands of people receive compensation for their asbestos injuries. Let us help you.